Kiriwanje niko twararaga mwakoze kuza murabeho ndabakunda ariko bantu bakuri impamvu mbakunda mwese murayizi nukubera ko mbakunda gusa nta n'ikindi yes cyagari we
Answered well. Hello.
I don't want to know.
Franklin!
What the fuck? I mean, what the hell going on here?
Wait a minute. Franklin, what are you doing here?
I live here. This half my house, too.
So you say? Anyway, Magenta is reinvigorating my femininity. So make yourself scarce. Boy, go. Go.
With pleasure.
Go.
Goodness.
And stay out of trouble.
Yeah.
Bitch, you ain't no more of a man than me.
I hear that.
Gangsta shit, nigga. Look who's bizarre.
What's happening
with it, man?
Oh, no. Show some respect here, nigga. The man, they couldn't hold down his back. Come on now.
Damn, man. I gotta spend my day with another middle-aged fool trying to recapture his youth.
What this fool just say?
I missed you, dawg.
Oh, you miss me, huh?
Nah, I ain't missed you. Your ass could have stayed gone for good. So I fucked your girl, mugged your moms, and better yet, I ain't thought about your ass in years.
Ha. You got jokes now, huh? Hey, but I see you doing well for yourself. Check that on out.
Shit, I'm doing just fine.
That's what I hear. But I know some sweet boys up in the pen that got bigger balls than you.
Oh, you been doing your time looking at sweet boy balls?
Oh.
Yeah, it's good to have confirmation.
This funny fuck. Why you keep hanging around this clown, L? Shake this fool,
We
man.
from the same set, Stretch. Why y'all niggas can't get along? Y'all been doing this shit for years, man.
You know what, dawg? It's good you back home. Glad you here. Missed you, boy. Damn, you definitely got hit up inside.
Hit up?
Hey.
Yo, motherfucker, I know little niggas like you been turned out on the daily. Talking about being hit up, nigga, I swear, man. You ain't got no motherfucking respect.
Motherfucker, I got respect for reality.
Reality? All right, you keep thinking that. Just keep thinking that, nigga. Shit, you gonna get yours.
Fuck you.
I swear, man.
Strizzettes, come on, man. Cool out.
Fuck,
Chill, man.
This motherfucker get on my goddamn
The
nerves.
nigga get on my nerves, too, man. But part of the nigga charm, man. F, come on, man. Let's just bust a move, man. You gonna drive or what, pimp?
Drive where?
Pick up this heat, nigga.
Why?
Business, nigga. Real business. Come on, y'all niggas act like girls. Shit.
Not me, shit. Ammunition, come on, let's go.
Shit, homie, you gonna drop all that bread on that gear, you might as well get a haircut, too.
Fucking crazy-haired microphone motherfucker.
I got a microphone I can shove right in your prison pocket. Nigga, you walk like you keister and shit anyway.
You know, when I went away, you punks was little homies, and I was a big homie. Now I'm out, and you little homies is big homies. But you still gotta respect.
Man, what the fuck this nigga talking about?
We all big homies, but he bigger, right?
Exactly.
Man, that's some fucking pyramid scheme bullshit.
Pyramids is good, man. Illuminati pharaoh shit.
No way!
Total fucking idiots!
Soon as we get this shit, as soon as we get paid, homie.
As soon as we get incarcerated, more likely.
Yeah.
Now let's go bust on some niggas. Man, we got some recycling to do. Come on, man. Send her off friends in La Puerta.
Hey, you know my solution to unions. Outsource. Fuck patriotism. People need.
You got some cans or some shit I don't know about?
Nah, homie. We got ourselves a drug deal.
Why do I get the feeling it's gonna be one of them deals gone wrong type situation?
Now, see, that's that negative attitude Lamar was telling me about, nigga. You ain't getting nowhere thinking like that.
The power of positive bullshit. You ought to be clenching your motherfucking vagina muscles with my aunt, nigga.
After his bid, it probably need tightening up.
This ain't new age shit, it's fact. You get what you give, fool.
You been getting dick, but you ain't giving it, huh?
Some Mark talk like that to an OG? CGF has changed, man. No wonder the hood is so lame right now.
Speaking of change, Lamar's been meaning to talk to you, homie.
Nah, not now, homie.
What's happening?
It's nothing, my nigga, nothing, you know. Just some ideas, that's all.
Man, ideas ain't your strong suit, so put it on me.
It's nothing real, homie. When it's something real, we'll talk.
Bullshit, man. It's realer than this crap.
Watch that shit, homie. Hey, we meeting them here.
Man, how'd you find this place?
The homie set it up.
It's the kind of spot where we ain't gonna be disturbed.
That's what the fuck worries me. I'm more of a hide in the plain sight type of nigga.
No, you more of a punk bitch type nigga.
Come on, homie, top floor.
What's up, fool?
What up with
We
it?
got that shit, nigga, with a paper at. Nigga, I'm talking about buku bills.
Lamar Davis. What's up, boy? Everything cool?
Hold on, man. What the fuck, man? You was just kidnapping this nigga.
Oh, come on,
dog.
You don't real recognize real.
D, my nigga, just got out crossing lines, did some time with some of your folks.
Hey, look, this ain't about you, man.
What?
You know these niggas done
Yo, what the
fucked
fuck
up.
this trick talking about, man?
Yeah,
What's that?
yeah.
Somebody
See,
creeping on us?
They putting a nigga on TV, man, about some gang intervention shit.
Hey, this ain't the police, dog. This some ballers bullshit.
Nigga, that's some
man.
bullshit.
Fuck you. What's up with
Hey, we
this?
been set up, nigga. This shit fucked up.
you,
Fuck
nigga.
Snake motherfucker. Shit. Oh, bitch ass ballers.
Come on, through here.
That fucking team set us up.
Fuck! I said lay low after you got cropped.
You ain't no motherfucker, that ain't me.
I can see that.
Oh, what the fuck? Man, it's on in here. Get behind some. Hit him with them grenades, homie. You always say you knew better, bitch, but you always end up in the same fucked up situation.
I'm gonna learn to trust my own motherfucking instinct.
The place on fire. Shit's burning.
We gotta go, man. Move it. Man, pop me and get over with. Man, ain't hard for you, homie.
Callow motherfuckers.
Got that last dude, homie.
Bang this motherfucker.
Man, I deserve to get booked. What kind of dumb motherfucker would trust that motherfucker?
It look good on paper, is all I'm gonna say.
Fuck. Cops outside. I ain't going back.
See what's up ahead, homie.
Dumbass baby G.
Man, I ain't going down for you.
I'ma follow you for a minute.
Hey,
Hey, here's the exit.
Through the fire exit. Come on.
These motherfuckers on the sky, dawg.
RC&I gonna cause us some trouble. Clap them, homie. Up this ladder. Up and out, homie. Hurry up! We got to go! Stay moving, homie! Stay low!
I wish I was in jail, not running with you, fool. I wasn't here. I wasn't even in this state. This ain't got nothing to do with me, homie.
Dispatch, anyone reported suspect whereabouts? Dispatch, have to come out here.
Easy, fool! No, no!
Now take us somewhere where we can get it in, homie.
We began as a credit card company, and thanks to customer allegiance and 29% interest fees that retain clients for life, we became a bank. But we're more than that. We're a brokerage firm, too. What's better than a bank investing your assets for our profits in the safety and security of the stock market? Hey, America's been through some tough times. We've all had to make some sacrifices in health and dignity to make ends.
Here we are, man. You go hang with your auntie while the men break it off.
Shut the fuck up.
Hell no, nigga. You sounding more and more like a snee-eye itch every day.
Hell
Nah,
yeah.
nigga, I sound like somebody trying to make some paper and not get killed.
He's a hook-ass nigga, I told you.
Nigga, go toss a salad, stretch mark ass bitch.
Bust